Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 2.25 black and white. Well, I have this image, today's subject, so I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Fine Edges. Well, pretty much grainy, huh? But I'm gonna use these two images to get something interesting, something exciting image today. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna add layer and colorize first this black and white image to color image. Well, I don't remember exact color anyways, and I'm gonna create something interesting colors, colorful image. But let's go for nice skin tone first. That's all I'm sure the color is. Okay, maybe about this skin tones, huh? Then select brushes, basic to soft around opacity as always. Now let's see. Yeah, about this color. Okay, pretty much like this. I'm gonna make some makeup on her too. Let's see. When I'm scanning this black and white negative, I add density on the highlight side too, so I don't need to add another layer to add colors on the highlight side on this film, on this image. So highlight, it's not burn out or less density. Don't worry about this. Well, scan this image. Think about even though I think I used the fog filter or something when I was shooting, so you see the halo something here. Okay, anyways, let's see. I go for makeup. Some not much. It's sort of, well, not quite sharp image, so just feeling. Okay, almost. Alright, now brownish colors. Go for a little bit reddish. Okay, let me see. This is now it's normal blend mode. Let me see. Change blend mode to color. Okay. Now it's gonna show a little bit touch different. Well, overall, let's see what color shall I add for wall. Maybe a little bit touch light green. Let's see, I'm gonna add another layer. Then I'm gonna add some bluer color on shadow side. change blend mode to, again, to color. Okay, now I'm going to add on here. Okay, then I want to just try add one more layer for now highlight color. Yeah, of course, change blend mode to color. All the color layers, 3 color layers, blend mode is color. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I just want to see it. Maybe I can change the blend mode to maybe screen or something. Let's see it. We may get some kind of effect. About this much. I don't know. We'll see later. Now it's just color. Okay. Real shadow colors so far. Okay, this one is sunlight. Then this one is shadow. Shadow has more bluer color, right? Okay, let's see about this. What color shall I add on this bedcloth? Maybe dark greenish. Then okay, now this one is shadow colors, so I'm going to add some blue. Okay, then I'm going to add sunlight color. This is yellowish. Okay, now it's kind of subtle colors overall. Well, let's see. Just touch up some. Okay, pretty much down. I'm going to touch up some. I guess smudge. Let's see, dry media to graphite. Okay, now shadow side, same smudging. Yeah, kind of looks like it. Well, let me see. Okay, overall kind of fuzzy colors, huh? Let's see around here. A little bit more add colors of the greenish, but this is kind of shadow side, has some touch blue or color. Okay, now I want to duplicate this black and white image. Duplicate layer. Then one of this, move up, then change blend mode to color burn. Goes so dark. Let me see. Turn down. A little more contrast, huh? How about change overlay, gives more contrast. Black and white original image, change blend mode to color burn 40%, gives touch more contrast. Okay, just leave it this, turn it off. Then let me see this pencil drawing type image now. Turn it on, change to same thing, color burn. But pencil drawing type image has more grains, so it's gonna show up much grains. This overlay effect gives more grains as well. Okay, so just back to normal 100%, then turn it off. Just keep for pencil drawing type image, but this original black and white image, this one is, but we get 40% some contrast, huh? Just fix this image as one layer, then make some luminosity effect image to get next illustration type image or something. Well, that's one way I may think about. Yeah, maybe that's kind of interesting image, I think. Well, before that, just turn it off. Then I wanna just touch up some about colors. Let me see. Touch up some greenish colors. Oh, that's yellow, huh? Highlight. Yeah. Okay, sunlight color. I'm just gonna fix some eraser tool. Soft round opacity. Then add some sunlight. Touch smudge. Okay. Now let's see. This pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to darken. Multiply. Now too much showing grains. Darken. Some color burn. Little bit contrast. Overlay. Yeah, pencil drawing type image, change overlay, effect, kind of nice feeling. Yeah, warm morning sunlight. Let's see. Let me see some. I want to see some. Yeah, still kind of color burn 40%. Just pretty interesting, I think. A little more dark side. Well, I may fix this image as one layer now. Then let's see what I can do from there. Okay. Now select multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then duplicate layers. Now merge selected. Get one image. Alright, I just got this image. That's same these 4 layers combined, just one image. Just leave it this. Then let me see, I just want to check, change to like multiply, goes darker, right? Touch yellowish, huh? Too much, I think, over her chest. Well, maybe I can tone down this highlight. This is highlight image, right? Sunlight hit. Yeah, it'll tone down the yellowish color. So this multiply shows pretty much nice image. Multiply, then how about this is color burn? Yeah, this one is too much yellow, I think. So this is alright, then tone down. Okay, Let me see, let me check. Overlay. That's nice. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice. Well, let me fix this image as a base image. This is kind of dull image, right? So, okay, in this case though, okay, let me fix this. Okay, select multiple one without this sunlight, this layer. This one is sunlight effect, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 image. Now duplicate layers, then merge selected. This is the new one. Okay, let me compare to this. This is base color image 2. Then bring this one, change back to normal, then change the name, base color image 1. This base color image, this is 2. Turn it off. We see 1. It's kind of dull, so okay, I'm gonna delete this base color image 1, then change back this image, the name. This is gonna be the base color image, this one. Alright, now we got the base color. This is pretty nice, I think. Well, that's it for colorize image, and I may touch, well, this is alright because shadow effect is blue watercolor, just to add. So leave it this way. We see some bluer image. Then I may make some white layer to get some illustration type image, or other effect, other expressions I can make next time. Well, that's it for colorize, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and just adding colors and make image to hopefully get better than original. Well, thank you again. You guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.